Good morning, everybody. It is what, Tuesday morning? Tuesday morning. I'm Nick Slavik. I'm the proprietor of the Nick Slavik Painting and Restoration Company. And you are? What's your name?
Oh.
This is Surfer Boy here with me, and we're doing the first site inspection of the day. We're going to resupply the crews, get their production plans, and then we are moving on with our day. So we're going to go into the job site and see what's... You ready, bud?
Mm-hmm.
You got the supplies for them?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's do it. I'll follow you. Let's go into the garage.
Look, it goes around two different wheels.
That's what I'm talking about, buddy. Okay, let's do it, bud. They're downstairs here. Right down here.
He's painting us
That's right. This is the job site. We're refinishing the basement. They should have all the trim and mill work done now, and they'll be working on some walls.
Wow.
I know, right?
And painting that for me.
What's up, guys?
How's it going?
Hello. Good.
Surfer Boy here brought you guys some supplies.
All right, what'd you get? Hello, Otto. Oh my goodness. Candy bars?
No.
Oh. No.
A little Facebook Live too. So
What do we got? Awesome. Whoa.
yeah,
Way
just
more
what
than
you
we
always
asked
wanted,
for.
right?
Yes. Yes.
Now you got to keep working.
We can make some nunchucks out of them.
No.
And some Ziploc bags.
Well, Otto, you got any advice for these guys as they go through their day today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Back to work.
Back to
nerds.
work. Sounds good.
All right, let's take a quick
Now
walk
do
through
that
here.
new stuff.
Oh, look at that. We got all these beautiful ledges encased. All right, plastic's gone too. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's take a look at this heavenly ledge. Wow. Holy cow, guys. That is impressive.
Thanks.
We got the doors going here.
Wow, look at anything.
Oh, yeah.
Toy
How soon are we going to be ready for some wall paint?
I'd say
Wow, it's amazing.
An hour.
Awesome. Just make sure you guys keep that fan going in that back room. That's a free one for us.
Will do.
I have fans for you. I have other supplies for you.
Get my coat on.
All right, site visit number 1 complete. These guys were not napping. They were not doing drugs and alcohol, and they were behaving. And on to the next one.
I love to see the video of you.